Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to find and join community on Reddit. It's really quick and simple and the process is really straightforward, so let's jump right in. First, let's open a Reddit app. And there are multiple ways you can join a community. First, if you look below, there's an option called Communities beside Home. Tap on that and Reddit will show you many recommended for you communities and many communities that suit your interest based on your past activity. You can also search for any community that you like and join them. Stardew Valley, Stardew Memes, etc. And if you want to really search for popular communities on Reddit, go to Home and then click on this Reddit icon drop down menu and go to Popular. Here Reddit will show you all the posts that are really going popular and check out which posts from which community are more often in this section. And then you can just join that community. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.